Yeah, pussy my passion.
Ran it, picked up the oil. And then let it cool for 20 minutes. That's too big. It's the 13. Oh my god. And potty. Make sure to do it the right way. Let's put the engine case.
By some fat asses. Niggas get the scrapping and you hear the gas blast.
Alright, dude. Fix that shit, dude. I got my grab coming up. So right now we're draining the oil. Draining the oil. Oh shit. Oh man, that shit is black. Gotta get my torquer out. Fitted the coolers I dropped out of high school. So I've been kind of talking with like random oils. So it started with an OEM, and then I went to Pennzoil. Now I'm doing the Mobile One. Let you guys know. Let you guys know. So I'm gonna tilt the bike. You know the bike's flat. I'm gonna tilt it to get the wheels.
Hear the gas blasting. Damn, older niggas ain't got no problem with me. My mama told me to speak.
So I filled in my oil container last time. I had to go dump it at AutoZone. I had a friend help me with that. That was so nice of her. My game is tight, baby. No need to bring pajamas. You ain't staying the night. No disrespect, I just say it polite. I drop her off before I sleep. I be praying for life. I think I left the gaskets upstairs. So we're gonna go ahead and cut it. All right. So let me bring this out a bit. That'll help. All right, so I got you my oil change kit a little bit. So here we go. Funnel, which I cleaned. Got the gasket for the oil filter. Got the oil filter. And then I got the $1.69 biggest scam at Honda. I'm just kidding. They always say you gotta replace the fucking ring, dude, the washer. That's ridiculous. I don't know what that's for. It's like, is the washer damaged? Who knows? So now that I have my drill, alright, I gotta start it somewhere. Gotta start it, get the drill going. All you got factory specs. Remember, you got the touchy don't strip your engine case. Don't strip your engine case. Some oil's gonna come out, so I'll move the pan. Alright, oil is for sure coming out. And again, the engine's still warm from when I ran it, so all the oil's flowing. So I'm probably gonna wipe these down, put this shit out. Remember, there's a spring in the back, so don't lose the spring. And this has been a rough go at the oil, man. I've been like topping it off like it's needed oil for a while. Alright, here's the gasket, it comes straight out. I'm gonna get this shit on. Alright. Weapon this shit, weapon that shit. Weapon that shit, weapon this shit. Alright. So what you want to do is, what I'll do is I'll push it into place. And then I didn't, like, usually I'll get the brake cleaner out. It's like, I don't need it. Perfect. Flip it over for a sec. Let the oil run out. This shit, that shit, this shit over. Make sure you get the right side, though. Okay, so I got the oil filter pushed into place. Got my new gasket. Make sure you don't bend the gasket, because otherwise you're fucked. You'll need to get a new gasket. Make sure the big hole lines up. Big hole lines up. You want that oil filtered. You want that oil filtered. Here we go. Here we go. Gonna dry up all these screws. So I'm gonna get started. I'm using a drill just because I don't want to strip anything. To Honda for some major surgery. That would suck. Oh shit, you know what I almost forgot, guys? Almost fucking forgot that spring. Alright, so it goes on like this. You gotta get the spring in the bottom. You gotta get the two screws started. Excited to show you how I measure out the oil too. I got like a mason jar that's exactly 800 milliliters. I gotta wipe it down too.